One professor wey resemble madman don dey perform wonders o. Dis professor wey dey talk say dis man no book wella and dis man na from Zimbabwe o. Dis in fact never judge a book by its cover o, because if you see dis man you no go believe say dis kind man no book, and people don come outside talk say dis man if dem go in class, if dis man teach dem, say dem dey always come out in flying colours, say no how wey dis man no go teach dem, wey be say dem no dey pass. Make una watch dis video of wetin people get to talk about dis man matter and wetin dis man sef get to talk about himself.
The popular idiom, "never judge a book by its cover," is what you see here. Many have testimonials of his intellectual prowess, and looking at Patrick Matandarochka, popularly known as Professor or just Prof, one is bound to write him off as a vagabond. However, his students glowingly talk of his work that has seen them attaining flying colors in their various examinations.
I would like to thank Professor for what he's done to this community, mostly to all levels, specifically English.
Professor wakatidzidzisa tiri ma form 6. Vaitidzidzisa nonzi vakatidzidzisa history ne FRS.
I'm a student yakadzidziswa na professor, and I've managed to come out with 10 points, and I've got B in divinity, which was the subject he was taking me for.
While it's unfortunate that some of Prof's students now at various universities and colleges shy away from publicly giving him the credit he deserves, Matandarochka, who teaches without using any textbooks, is only concerned with seeing his students excel. He is also not bothered by not being paid or being harshly judged for his looks.
People have a certain stigma, but eventually have a pride, a sense of pride. But Africans, they are like this, but at the end of the day, they swallow their pride. Then they say, hey, let's go there. And for one information, the other woman is somewhere there. Was she not teacher?
Prof says he's a family man, but because of other social problems, not privy to the public.
And I don't see wetin dis man talk. See as him pour out in mind. Talk say even some students wey him teach, they don't even enter university. But due to say shame and this, they no dey gree talk am say na him teach them. But this man sef, see as him wetin dey do am, I no understand. Na mad person I be, and they say this man if he dey teach, he no dey even use book. That means everything dey inside him head. This kind man like this na shark. Na a few way for a person to dey teach you without book. The one wey I can't even overlike, they say this man no dey even collect any money from anybody hand. This man gets good heart oh. Say even parents, you know, say some parents they go dey think and say, why this kind man wey dirty like this dey teach my pikin? Parents no complain, they don't even complain about the environment, they don't even complain about the man because of say wetin. They know say if their pikin go this man class, no how, the pikin must pass. This man sabi teach wey be say if he teach you like this, you go over understand. And anybody wey don't go in class, the person they always pass. This one say no be mouth oh. People don't come outside talk and say all the class, everything wey he teach them, if they go in class, they always come out in flying colors. I can't they want now the book don't enter this man head like this because I no come understand. And they thought say this man a graduate from the University of Zimbabwe. You know, so some people if they don't overread book, the thing they can't turn to madness inside. I can't they feel say maybe now wetin happened to this man. And this man a family man, he saying gets 3 lovely children. When we say that these children have no book, saying wife not even police woman, but he prefer to dey stay alone. Yes, you go prefer to stay alone because of the way where you even be. No woman be self go one day like stay with you because see nylon, see dirty. Who go hungry? Which wife go hungry say make you do all this kind of thing? So me I feel say this book now don't enter in head. But God they do wonders oh. See this kind man. See as he be like this. Now they teach people. You know they even use book. They teach person. Oh. Everything just they in brain, just like that. Maybe everything where you learn from school. If na math, so he go teach you. English, any course, he go teach you. Without book, that means this man no book die. Everything they inside head. Now wow, God they really work wonders for person life. But this kind of person now see him dressing. If this kind of person now call you, sure you go. You know go even answer because you go don't fear say this one a mad person now. But the man brain, everything within inside brain 100%. You go see some people they go even dress fine, but they never even normal inside. This one now wake on dirty. See us in brain. In brain they overfunction. Now wow, me I dey feel say I don't know maybe in family, I be in wife, go carry him, they carry and go there what's they call them psychiatric hospital. May they go check him because if he just be say the reading of books too much, now it don't come affect him brain no? And make government, this one where they don't even notice him. Maybe government say go find something do about this in matter because this one now is supposed to be better professor. better professor, because this man too no book. No be this kind of place, no be inside does me. This man supposed to. And as this man they say, they're saying don't they even work on one recycling project. For you to know, see this man over get. Person wey go just sit and they think this kind. Person wey even get brains, no they think this kind of thing. Talk less of one way. Sometimes madness they worry am. Now when they do this kind of thing. Wow, God, they really work wonders. And in fact, as they bring out this man, I just hope say people go try help him. If you no want live with him family, fine. Maybe they go find one kind house, give him. They make them monitor in life, make this thing not to go they affect them, make their baby hair, make it look neat. Maybe with that way, other students where they shame to talk about them, they go come out boldly come talk about them, say now this professor, now ain't teachers. As this matter be, now here I go end them anything way na feel, making a write down for the comment section. Then making a don't forget to like or share and subscribe to this channel. I go see you now for our next video. NDLA just catch 3 men with skunk and metal whether they try carry this thing travel go abroad. Some people, Nigerians in fact, we dey very very creative in things what we dey do. These men now, where we say one na 23 years old, the other one 37, then this last one 27. But this 27 years old man, they catch him for another place totally. So in your matter self, na another thing. This 23-year-old, they talk say this person na even secondary school leaver. Make una look this kind of this person, example person just anyways, I know if he talk. Then this other man, they call him Chukwuka Prince Will. Then Peter Nwoko. This one a European based man. No, this man come all the way from there, saying one can carry cocaine and things, carry go abroad. This man they catch him for Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport for Abuja. And then they catch the 2 of them with 9 kilograms of skunk and meth from Abuja, where they carry them from Turkey, go Belgium. Now, if it says they come package this and put inside golden more carton, like the line, on a nurse golden, who go fit think of this kind of creativity? Say person go buy golden more, chop the golden more finish, come pour cocaine and things. We did, and the way they even have this thing, it go even make people suspect them, say something they inside this thing. So these men now, they don't catch them. It means say our NDLEA people that they really work, because they say as these people they try board plane where that's Ethiopian airline where they go Abuja, then from Abuja they go Addis Ababa, then from there they go Belgium. I sure see maybe all these places now they won't go do deliveries for all this kind of place, but as God go say do them, now they catch them. This 27 years old man now where they can catch. This one they even say na graduate of accountancy from Bayero University for Kano State. Say this one they catch him for Malam Aminu Kano Airport. Him now, they travel, he come there, come claim this bag. Now there they see cannibal stavia will be weed inside him bag. And he don't confess, say yes, now him get this thing. Young boys, 23. So what thing? In a no go find work do. Everybody won't get sharp money. On a thing say na so it easy to get. If na so everybody go don't even get money now. In a no go look for legit way to find money. Everybody, you won't go do Yahoo, you won't carry weed. Now they don't catch you, uncle. What you want talk? But me, I still like I'm saying they catch them for Nigeria. Because all of us hear about the people where they go catch for abroad. On a no, they fit just even kill on her. But as it be like this now Nigeria they catch them. They go know as they won't take sentence them, go anywhere where they won't carry them go. Then all these young youths now, where in a no see any work now to the traffic things. Make the kidnapping self, you go surprise self, say now young people they do them. Waiting na one game. Now so now they quick. If now so all these old people do, they get money. They no go there where they dey now. All of us just they rush, and I won't get fast money. No be so life be oh. If now they do now we don't end up for prison. How you want it? How your family go even you stay look you? On our way, no even they pure at all. Anyway, as this matter be, now here I go end them anything na feel, making a comment. Then make now not forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel as I go see you now for our next story. Now wow, things they really happen. Police just raid one gay wedding for Uganda. These police now they arrest 44 people for this wedding. The police officer where they call Mr. Luke from Kampala Metropolitan Police say now somebody now give them this hint. Say that they do this wedding for this area where they call 780 zone. Now there they can't go there. Can't see people. Make now watch this video.
Mutambulenga mtunudanu buli aita ugenda. mwezi n'obubina kumanina rukwati mi gwe tunuleno nja kusama omugere gwe nga toguwulire tunuleno gwe wagapo eri omuwanvu kunamawo tunuleno mwezi n'obubina mutunuleno mu tunuleno tunuleno gwe baba zino obubina mwabagole mu tunuleno gamba nze mugole nja kutema omugere ganze gwenze mugole
I don't see as these people dress. The one who even funny myself, now that man wey wear orange cloth. See, if blessing na mama cloth wey mama wear for 1980. Now this boy carry come doing wedding. Now wow, people go just they think of creative things. You know at least go buy wedding gown if you know say you won't do proper wedding. All these ones now see them in the boys, some of them do makeup, some even wear wig, wear woman clothes. As police carry them go, I no even sure say now about say they be gay. Now make them arrest them. They talk say one, they no obey the COVID rule. See as they go the place, no social distancing. All of them just sit down, gum body together. Secondly, they no wear nose mask. So even if they even accept gazing for that place, now I don't break the law. Now they don't carry in and I say they won't go arrest on her. And another thing they can't talk wey shock me now, they can't see used and unused condom for there. For wedding ground. On no fit wait make una go in a house now for the wedding ground. Now I won't come they do the kurukere things. Now wow, this kind Uganda wedding, you over shock me. I never hear say person go wedding. They can't see condom for the place of the wedding. I never hear am reach. Now this first time, now they hear and no such now they hear this thing self. You go they funny on her because this kind matter I know they understand. But some people say they support these people saying gayism no be sin. I know talk say na sin no. But for people who know say their country know they accept them, make una travel go country where they accept them. Then una go feel live on a life and una go feel follow their law normally. No be say you go come African country where you know say they know they accept this thing. You know one come claim right say una get right. As it be like this now, they don't carry them go police station, they don't arrest them. And for now, I don't know as they want to do them. Maybe they go pay, I be they go stay there for how many years. I never know as they want to do them. But as the matter be like this, making herself comment. And making her don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now on a girl, Mina baby, M to the I to the N to the A. I go see you now for our next story.